What's up guys, this is new Pangu jailbreak update for iOS 14 and all iOS 13. Now Pangu fully supported cydia on all devices. How to use new Pangu 14 version. Step 1. Download new Pangu 14 toolkit on computer. Links in description. You can use Windows or Mac OS version. Next, need connect device using USB. Open Pangu and click start. If installed success, you can see Pangu icon on home screen. Open and waiting installing cydia. All tweaks now fully support iOS 14. All features works for all devices, and on this version fixed cydia bugs, and it now revokes for 1 year, and cydia updated for latest version and optimized for iOS 14.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. Don't stare, cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you